Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So, I believe that giving value is key, in every aspect of life. Let me give you a story. So, for example, sometimes people reach out to me and they'll ask for, like, can you please get that guide that you talked about inside your group? The guide or the, piece of content that I give to some of my group members to help them enhance it. So whether it's a contract, whether it's like a contract they can use for their clients, whether it is like a video that I used from a coaching session, etc., etc. I allow certain people inside my group to be able to understand exactly what they need to do to move forward, right? That is giving value. That is giving stuff that they would like, whether or not they are a client right now. Like we give free trainings, we give different things like that that allow people to get results before they start working with me, so that by the time they're ready to work with me, I don't have to be like, hey, this is why you should pay me X amount of dollars. Instead of like, okay, how much does this cost? I'm so glad that that you got me some money beforehand, so let me just pay you out of the money that you already gave me. And that's how easy that it is. So if you give value up front, it's extremely key, and that's why I believe that giving value is key. If that's what you're looking for, someone to show you how to grow your business step by step, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. If that's something that you're interested in, I recommend you go check that out. I took off the whammy bar on this one. Yeah. Still sounds good though.